तो ये ऐसा है 8th All India Tibet Support Groups Conference 12 and 13 March 2026 at धर्मशाला। या धर्मशाला में 8वीं ऑल इंडिया तिब्बत सपोर्ट ग्रुप का जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ उसका 12-13 तारीख को उसका डिक्लेरेशन है। The 8th India Tibet Support Groups Conference brought together the representatives of Tibet support groups across India to reaffirm their solidarity with the Tibetan people and their aspiration for freedom and ancient cultural preservation. Conference recalled the historic support extended by Indian people to Tibet since 1950 by late Sardar Patel. In 1954 by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and in 1959 All India Tibet Support Convention initiated by Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan and reaffirmed the civilizational, spiritual, cultural ties between India and Tibet. Conference expresses serious concern over the continued occupation of Tibet by the People's Republic of China and the ongoing policies that threatens Tibet's unique cultural identity, religious tradition, language and fragile environment. Conference condemned the reported human rights violation in Tibet, including restrictions on religious freedom, mass surveillance, the expansion of colonial style boarding schools for Tibetan children, and attempt to annihilate Tibetan identity. Conference demand for the recognition of the Central Tibetan Administration as a legitimate representative of Tibetans. Conference called for the resumption of the dialogue between the representative of the His Holiness Dalai Lama /CTA and the People's Republic of China to peacefully resolve the Sino-Indian conflict and appealed the government of India to raise the Tibet cause on international platforms in support of resumption of dialogue. The Sino-Tibet conflict. Conference expressed appreciations of the lifelong contribution of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama Conference expressed appreciations of the lifelong contribution of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in promoting the world peace, compassion, non-violence, environmental awareness and the revival of Nalanda tradition of Buddhism. Conference rejected China's claim over the reincarnation of His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama and uphold the century-old traditions on reincarnation by the Guardian Fudang Trust, जो इनका वहाँ में वो century-old जो चल रहा है. Conference congratulates the His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama for receiving the Grammy Award this year, which also coincides the year of compassion, marking the 90th birth anniversary of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. The conference resolved to strengthen. अभी हम लोग आपका जो आप लोगों ने चाहा कि किस तरह से आगे बढ़ना चाहिए उसका आप सुनिए ठीक से. The conference resolved to strengthen the Tibet support groups across India, promote awareness through academic programs, social media campaign, organize the cultural and environmental initiatives, encourage greater participation of youth, women and civil societies. Yeah, thank you very much.